The Dow crashes 350 points. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and we're kicking off the week here on Monday, June 29th, 2015, and the markets take a huge hit with adversities taking place over in Greece right now. Greece now has locked down their monetary systems for an entire week to keep from bank runs taking place. Right now at the ATMs, they have a governor on what they can take out at $66. So they can take out the equivalent of $66 each and every day only, no more. Well, taking a look here at the markets, the S&P sinks more than 2% down, 2.11%. The Dow down almost 2%, down 350 points. We have the NASDAQ down 2.36%. The small caps, the Russell's 2000 down 2.5%. Banks also down 2.27%. Anytime you have major indices down 2%, that is noteworthy. You have to wake up to that noise. Silver down 0.5%, gold up almost 0.5%, US dollar off 0.5%, and the fear spiking 17%. Huge drop here in today's market. All right, so I'm using tradingview.com here. It's a free software you can use. Awesome. You can upgrade and pay for their services if you would like. And that's something I personally do. Get a lot of bang for your buck here. You can follow me. You can see I have 12 followers as of today coming in, new followers coming in. And you can follow me. This is how you can do it. If I click up here on the little light bulb, all these dots pop up. These are people's ideas on what they're expecting the markets to do. Once you publish an idea, it puts a dot on the screen, which you can hover over and you can click on to see what it is that they are saying. And you cannot erase them. Once they're there, they are there. Permanent record. So here we are taking a look at the spider, the S&P 500. You're going to see here that I have a triangle. See that triangle? That's me, Des. Triangle, that's me, Des. Triangle, that's me, Des. And then as of today, triangle, that is me, Des. There's a triangle up here, me, Des. All right. I said look to go bullish here. That's why it's green. And if you notice, we just went higher, and higher. You'll notice at this point, I said be looking yellow. That means be very cautious. And then from that point, we just went sideways. And if I said look to go higher here. Oh, my red one. That's the one I was looking for. Here, I said look to go lower. And look where we're at right now. Boom, to the downside. Here on this guy, I said look to go higher. Boom, we shot up. We got down there again. I said look to go higher. Boom, we shot up. And now we go into the triangle. And as of today, we open, we went higher, hit resistance. I added, this is a time to sell, crash, breaking this support line, the symmetrical triangle breakdown, and this major trend line that we have. And this trend line goes way back. Look at this. It goes way back. And actually that trend line has been moved. So I'm going to get rid of it. I need to redraw that, and I'm not going to do it here on a video because it would just take too much time. Actually, I'm going to pause the video and do it right now. All right, so I started the red line down here, right there on those lows. Brought it up to these two swings. I'll blow this up so you can see it. And it broke two major trend lines today. That red one coming across and the blue one here coming across. This just a big triangle breakdown. Boom, to the downside. This is sell territory. The Dow here, look at this. Big symmetrical triangle. Today I called a sell. Big breakdown on big volume, breaking a horizontal support line, coming across support, bounce, support broken, big volume, and I have it there. You can click on me and follow me if you'd like. NASDAQ, check this out, big rising wedge. You can see here, look at the triangle. I called sell and I called the top there. This is the top right here of the NASDAQ. I don't expect to see that high anytime soon. Who called the top? I did here. And now I'm calling, when today's breakdown, another sell here. Sell, sell, sell. Big volume. This is bad territory to be in. Small caps. Here it is. I called sell. Look at this. Sell, crash, 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 and crash. Here we come down. Once we broke, I call sell again on a big uptick on volume. Banks, big rising wedge here on banks. Sell, sell, sell. I did not put a sell sign on this one because we're still above the 20-day moving average. And then VIX, volatility index. This one I said bullish, 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 falling wedge breakout above the 20-day moving average, big volume, boom, to the upside. I said buy on VIX because the VIX is an inverse indicator. VIX is a fear indicator, only goes up when the fear increases. Look at the volume size compared to the other volume. It's almost 3 times. Look at the 20 period average here. Look at the distance between that 20 period and the low. You could put that in almost 3 times. See that? Huge volume here. And with today's VIX spiking like it is, over 17%, and the Dow down 350 points. If you guys who follow me on a daily basis, you'll remember I said the time to be really worried about the top being put in is when you start to see 200, 300, 400, even 500 point down days. That's when you know the top will be put in. Today we got a 350 point down day, which is huge. That's why you're watching today's video. This is big. And I'll tell you, gang, that times like this will bring a ton of volatility. You could almost bank your bottom dollar that tomorrow you're gonna have a 200 point up day. Just a big boom, and then it chops around. I could see it rallying up to this blue line and then dropping. You'll get these big, huge, choppy moves before the markets finally just bleed out. Because I'll tell you, if you look here at a monthly chart, we have gone just up. Let me get rid of these things. Look at this, up. We are due for a correction. We're due for some sort of pullback like this right here. And I think that we've put in our top and that we should start to see that fairly soon due to the catalyst that we're seeing over in the Eurozone. We are set up to make a killing in the markets with this sizable downdraft that we may be seeing here. And we want to be set up for it if it starts to play out like we're expecting it to. Huge money to be made on a down move in the markets. Listen, Mark and I would like to mentor you. We want to come together with you in Vegas here in July. And to do that, we want to buy your airline ticket to come out for you to take our mentorship. And you can bring a friend free of charge. So if you enroll as a student, just go up here to groktrade.com to get more information. And you do that, you can bring a friend. Click on the blue button. Once you go there, you can read all about it. Watch the videos below. I got a lot of videos here, a lot of great feedback. These guys here, they're unedited videos, unedited. You get to see everything that they're saying from beginning to end. Then these guys are edited, some wonderful stuff, and then fill out the form. We will be in touch with you and see if Vegas is in store for you. Catch you guys later. Listen up to what's coming up next. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.